So part of the measuring process for your sheer curtains is made really simple by ordering these little track sample kits that we offer on the iSeek Blinds website. Now they're $25, and I can assure you most of that is the fee for the airbag to send them to you. So I'm not profiteering by putting these kits together. I'm genuinely trying to help you understand exactly where your curtains are going to sit and how to install everything, and how to measure it perfectly to get an awesome outcome with your sheer curtains. So the kits are $25, and I should have thought it said that on the wall, but it doesn't. And you can get them in the curved track version, so you can get 2 curved tracks. And there's also the little ceiling mount bracket that we include just there, so you can see, put them on the ceiling and see exactly how it's going to look and sort of how you're going to do that corner. Get lots of questions about that, and we're going to talk about that in a bit more detail. This is our little cutie standard track, and this is exactly what you get. You get 2 pieces of the standard track. If I could hold that properly. You also get to see exactly what the brackets are, and you can adjust these brackets. You own these pieces of sample track, so do with them as you please, but use them to come out with a great outcome, particularly when you are measuring corners and exactly where to put it. So this gives you all the answers here. Now, just a bit of on the side information here. The runners that we put inside the curtain tracks are always in multiples of 2. So it goes 1, 2, 2 always returns to the wall, 3 comes forward, 4 goes back to the wall. So you can see we've created that nice S shape. Now that's a bit wobbly because it doesn't have any fabric attached to it, but you can see that nice S shape there. Okay, so a good little tool to help you measure your internal corners, your external corners, and see where everything's going to fit and come out with a great outcome. It's a little sample track. I think, Kylie, you said you could also get a combination one, is that right? So you get a combination one where you can get a sample of the standard track and the curved track, but they're both the same. They both use the same tape. Everything is sort of similar about them, just the slightly different profile and the mounting option of that little curved track. So that's got all the answers for you. I hope that is useful. See you on the next video. Thanks.